Hi, I'm Marlis from Adventures with T, and we are back with Gadget Friday. We took some time off for travel issues, and then we also were dealing with some family issues as well. But we're back. We're going to be doing Gadget Fridays again going forward. So today we are featuring a gadget, and no, this is not some kind of little wacky monster. This is actually an empanada press. And so basically the way it works is you take the, and I should say it's not just for empanadas but also calzones, hand pies, any of those kind of things. But you take this side and you press it down and cut your circle. And then once you have your circle of your pie dough, then you lay it on this side with all the little teeth. And you put your filling in the middle and you fold it over. Here, I'll show you this way. You fold it over and press that down. It also helps if you put a little bit of either water or a little bit of egg white around the inside of your pie crust, right around the edges. And then you press this down and push it and it seals it for you. So it makes it really easy to make any kind of empanadas, calzones, fruit pies, whatever you want to make in the little handy size. I will point out that this Sunday, if you haven't ever done empanadas, it's a perfect day to do it because this Sunday is actually Empanada Day. Did you know there was such a thing? But anyway, so it's a great time to give it a try. Great little gadget. We've got a link for it in the blog. Check it out, and we will see you next time on Gadget Fridays. Bye!